Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation on the FortiGuard DNS Security service, brought to you by the Firewall Support Center. I'm Ilan, and today we'll explore how Fortinet's DNS Security service can safeguard your network from cyber threats at the DNS layer. If you're looking to enhance your network security knowledge, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Firewall Support Center, for more in-depth tutorials and cybersecurity tips. Let's start with the basics. The FortiGuard DNS Security service, offered by Fortinet, provides full visibility into your DNS traffic while blocking high-risk domains. This includes malicious newly registered domains, often called NRDs, and parked domains that could be staging areas for attacks. By monitoring DNS traffic, this service helps identify unusual behavior, boosting your network's protection and improving the detection of malicious activities and compromised systems. It's a powerful tool to secure your network at one of the most critical layers, the DNS layer. So, how does FortiGuard DNS Security actually protect your network? First, it highlights unusual DNS behavior to detect potential threats early. For example, it can pinpoint staging areas for rogue domains, which are often used in cyber attacks. To stop infiltration and exfiltration attempts, like DNS leaks, the service rejects queries from these staging sites, regardless of the port or protocol used. If a compromised device connects to your network, the DNS layer protection blocks any malware it might try to send. It also prevents callbacks from your DNS server to attackers attempting to hijack it. By interrupting this communication, FortiGuard ensures your DNS isn't taken over or abused by hackers. Now, let's talk about the key benefits. FortiGuard DNS Security service protects the integrity and availability of your DNS services, enhancing the overall security, privacy, and reliability of your internet connection. It defends against cyber attacks like DNS spoofing and cache poisoning, which can redirect traffic to malicious sites and disrupt your internet service. Additionally, it safeguards user privacy by encrypting DNS traffic, preventing third parties from intercepting or tracking your DNS queries. This means fewer disruptions from cyber attacks and a more reliable DNS experience for your organization. What sets FortiGuard apart is Fortinet's platform-driven approach. This service is integrated into Fortinet's security fabric solutions, enabling coordinated workflows across your entire security infrastructure. By leveraging Fortinet's global customer base, FortiGuard creates a network effect, meaning faster detection and response to threats worldwide. Whether you're using FortiGate next-generation firewalls or other Fortinet solutions, this service ensures seamless protection across your network, making it a vital tool for any organization serious about cybersecurity. Why does this matter for your network? DNS is often a prime target for attackers. From DNS spoofing to malware exfiltration, threats at the DNS layer can compromise your entire network. FortiGuard DNS Security service provides a proactive defense, ensuring that your network stays secure, your users' privacy is protected, and your internet services remain reliable. For those of us managing firewalls, like the FortiGate devices we often discuss on Firewall Support Center, this service is a game changer for enhancing security at a foundational level. That wraps up our presentation on the FortiGuard DNS Security service. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about Fortinet solutions, firewall configurations, or cybersecurity best practices, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Firewall Support Center. We regularly share tutorials, like how to set up FortiGate access rules or troubleshoot DNS issues, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated. Have you used FortiGuard DNS Security in your network? Let us know in the comments below, we'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.